Hello everyone, welcome to Pixel Pen Digital. I am Franklin, your instructor for today's math lesson. I'll be guiding you through understanding ratio and helping you understanding the key concepts and problem solving strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for math tutorials, tips and lessons. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on new contents. Feel free to ask questions, participate in discussions, and let's learn math together. Let's get started. Before we get started, we are going to look at our objective for today. At the end of this lesson, pupils should be able to understand or state the meaning of ratio, and they should be able to identify the forms of ratio and also to state the importance of ratio. Now, here is our agenda for today. Now, we are going to learn and practice ratio, then we are going to learn and practice forms of ratio, we are going to learn the importance of ratio, and then we will review. Okay, now today we are diving into awesome worlds of ratio. Imagine you are a master chef, architect, or financial wizard. Ratio is your secret ingredients. Now the question is, what is ratio? What is ratio? Now, a ratio is like a recipe for comparing quantities. Now, it shows how things are related, like ingredients in your favorite dish. Now, a ratio is a way to compare things. Now, look at the picture. I have 2 apples and 1 banana. The ratio of apples to banana is 2 to 1. That means there are 2 apples for every 1 banana. So, now how can we write ratio? Now, you can write ratio in different ways, but they all mean the same thing. Like, we can write ratio in 3 ways. Now, with colon, we can write ratio with colon, which is 2, then the colon sign and 1. It still means the same thing. Then we can write ratio like a fraction, like 2 over 1. We can also write ratio in words, which is 2 to 1. They all mean the same thing. Now, let's dive right into another example. Now, if we mix 2 cups of juice and 2 cups of water, the ratio is 3 to 2. That means for every 3 parts of juice, we use 2 parts of water. Okay, let me use another example again. In your classroom, they say compare the ratio of boys to girls. Maybe in a class, you have 5 girls and 3 boys. So the ratio of girls to boys is 5 to 3. That means in a class, it's a classroom settings. In any classroom settings, you find what 5 girls and 3 boys. That is ratio. You can use ratio in every area of your life. You can use ratio to compare things, like for example the food that you're cooking. Now there's an amount of ingredients you're supposed to put in order for that food to balance. Like for example, now you said, okay, for example, say for you to cook a stew, you must put 2 cubes of maggi and 1 spoon of salt. So the ratio of, in order to make the food balance, the ratio of maggi to salt is 2 to 1. Do you understand? So let's dive right into why ratios are important. Now, ratios are very important. We use ratio to share things fairly. We use ratio follow recipes, like follow recipe. We use ratio to make teams equal. We use ratio to build and draw things correctly. Now, ratios helps us every day. When we share candy, make food or play games, ratios helps us to make sure everything is fair and right. Okay, now let's look around us. You can find ratios in your pencil box, your classrooms, and games. You can think of more. Like for example, your pencil box. Your pencil box contains your writing materials like your pencil, your crayon, your cleaner. Let me just say the ratio of pencil to the cleaner. Maybe you have 5 pencil and you have 2 cleaners. So the ratio of pencil to cleaner is 5 to 2. Okay. Now let's look around us. Okay, let's practice. Now, time for quick game. Let's say the ratios together. Now, what is the ratio? 6 banana and 3 apples. The ratio of 6 banana and 3 apples is what? 6 to 3. Now, the ratio of 2 cats and 4 dogs is what? 2 to 4. The ratio of 5 books and 5 notebooks is 5 to 5. Great job, everyone. Now remember, a ratio is a way to compare things. They help us in school, at home, and in even while playing. Yes, even while playing. You are now a ratio expert. Now, thank you for joining the class. Now go and explore and find fun ratios in your home. See you next time. In our next video, we are going to dive deep into ratio. So don't miss out for the next video. All you need to do is like this video, share this video so many people can watch, subscribe, and also watch out for my new video. Leave a comment below if this video has helped you, or if you have any question to ask, just kindly leave a comment below. Thank you and enjoy your day.